Alright guys, today I'm on a special boat. This is our last 2026 Sea Ray 260 SLX outboard with a 400 that we are able to order for the model year 2026. Next year it's going to go up to 2027. They might make a few changes. The price might go up a little bit. But this one was special. So how I optioned it was I did the classic look with a little twist. So I did the Sea Ray blue with a dune interior, and I did a white stripe down the side. So it's a 3-zone gel coat, but you can only see 2 of the colors. It's Sea Ray blue and a white stripe. You're gonna love it. Go check out the pictures of the outside of the boat here next. But we didn't spare any options on this boat. We checked pretty much every box, including the power tower, the 400 of course, the sea deck inside, the teak tables for the front and the back of the boat, bow filler cushions, water system bundles, sound system upgrade, everything on this boat. And let's go through some of the stuff that I love. Obviously, I love the stitching. I love the designs in the Sea Ray. The 260 SLX was designed by women, and they did a top-notch job. They added plenty of shade. So if you look at the 250 SLX going up to the 260 SLX, they both have the same articulating tower, but the 260 SLX is so much bigger. Then on the back, it has an extended shade that goes out the back that adds another about 3.5 feet. Then there's a manual shade you can put up in the front with 2 poles, 2 clips, and the shade just covers the entire bow area. So when you have that bow filler cushion up there and everyone's relaxing out there while anchored with your windlass anchor, of course, everyone's going to be shading. It's going to be a wonderful day on the water. And imagine you're driving and the sun's like right here in your face, or you're coming up to a bridge. All you have to do is go to the C-zone controls right here, push this button, and it's going to lower down the tower. What I love about this is it really encloses this cockpit. So if a rain shower comes through and you guys don't want to get wet for the day, or if you don't want to get pelted with rain while underway, just push that button and it lowers down and it completely encloses this cockpit, along with the bow or the walk-through windshield and the walk-through door closed off, so you're pretty much closed up. And this is like an all-weather boat, y'all. You can use this year-round here in Texas, even in December when it averages about 70 degrees. What can you ask for? What more can you ask for? So again, y'all, my name is Billy Folks with MarineMax. Come by and check it out in person.